Unlock breathtaking visual storytelling by seamlessly weaving the magic of Midjourney into your Adobe After Effects projects. First, let's dive into crafting your perfect image in Midjourney. Think about what you want to animate. For instance, imagine a surreal floating island. You'll want to be specific in your prompt, describing the environment, the lighting, and even the mood. Once you have your Midjourney masterpiece, it's time to bring it into After Effects. Simply drag and drop your generated image file directly into your project panel. Now, the creative possibilities explode. We can isolate elements of your image for this floating island. Let's say we want the clouds to move independently. We can use After Effects' powerful masking tools to create a mask around the clouds. Then, we can duplicate the layer, apply the mask to the duplicate, and now we have our clouds as a separate element. With our isolated clouds, we can now animate their movement. Select the cloud layer, press P for position, and set a keyframe at the beginning of your timeline. Then, move forward in time, and set another keyframe, repositioning the clouds to give the illusion of them drifting across the sky. To add depth and realism, we can also apply effects, perhaps a subtle blur to the clouds to suggest distance, or adjust their opacity to make them more translucent. This brings a sense of atmospheric presence to your static Midjourney creation. For more advanced visual effects, consider using After Effects' built-in effects like turbulent displace to subtly warp elements, or applying color grading to match the mood of your scene. You can even import multiple Midjourney images and composite them together, creating entirely new fantastical worlds. By combining the imaginative power of Midjourney with the robust animation and compositing capabilities of After Effects, you can elevate your video productions to truly professional and captivating levels.